on. Hello guys, today I'm going to host a HTML tutorial through Caret, which is the HTML coding website that I use. So basically, first of all, we have to put in this doc type HTML in order to get the body and everything. So then we put in HTML, and then on number 4, head. And then if you want to put in a title of what you're going to be, basically your title and stuff, you're going to put in this. And then this is heading to finish it off. And then this is the body, which basically is like the document and everything. And basically over here, we're going to put in the paragraph. So I'm going to write down, I am hosting a HTML tutorial and wish me luck. And then we put in a heading. Heading number 1, always put in numbers in order to. So heading number 1 is going to be the bigger heading. And as the numbers go down and down, it's going to get smaller. So heading over here, you put in. And I'm going to put in build a web page with me, which is my name, Harfateh. And then we're going to put in another paragraph about this, where I've wrote in about I'm new to this, so please don't complain. Thank you. I'm pretty new, so don't judge me, guys. And always, whenever you're about to finish a paragraph, always put in this code right over here. You have to put in a slash. And then this is my second one. And then when we're finishing off the HTML code, we put in body over here. And then HTML. That's all we have to do for a basic one, and see you next time on our second.